Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Threads app on your iPhone. It's super quick and easy, so let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Once you're in the App Store, tap on the Search tab at the bottom. Now, type Threads in the search bar and press Search. From the results, look for Threads by Instagram and tap on it. Next, tap on the Get button, or the download icon if you've installed it before. You may be asked to confirm using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Once you confirm, the app will start downloading and installing automatically. Just wait a few seconds for it to finish. When it's done, the button will change to Open. You can tap it to launch the app right away. Or, go back to your home screen and tap on the Threads icon. Now you can sign in with your Instagram account and start using Threads to share posts and connect with others. And that's it. That's how to install the Threads app on your iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and helpful tutorials.